Does TikTok Shop take EBT? No, TikTok Shop does not take EBT as a form of payment. EBT, electronic benefit transfer, is a government-issued payment method used mainly for food and essential items under assistance programs like SNAP, and it's limited to retailers authorized by government agencies. Since TikTok Shop focuses on general consumer goods, it doesn't currently meet the requirements to process EBT payments. Accepting EBT requires specific authorization and secure systems that verify eligible items and manage government benefits. TikTok Shop's payment system is designed for standard online purchases, using methods like credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and other digital payment options. This makes the checkout process quick and accessible for most users, but excludes specialized programs like EBT. In practice, shoppers who rely on EBT for purchases would need to use other approved online stores that accept those benefits for qualifying goods. TikTok Shop, being primarily a marketplace for lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and tech products, operates outside the category of retailers that support EBT transactions. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to research, launch, and grow your TikTok Shop business with verified payment methods, like a pro.